Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. In my video today guys, I'm just going to show you a quick DIY that I've done to make a Happy Mother's Day sign for Mother's Day celebration here, which is on Sunday the 14th of March 2021. So as you can see, I have some cardboard and I just use my ruler and a permanent marker just to go around it, just to kind of get the letters out of the cardboard that I need. Now you want to be very careful when you attempt to take out the letters with your your scissors. I'm missing my words here. With your scissors, or if you want to use blades. Now I just use the scissors because it's a lot easier for me, but throughout the rest of the words I just use my blade, but please be very careful. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel, and comment below and let me know what you think of my videos. So as you can see, I marked out the Happy Mother's Day and I got these tissue paper, not tissue paper, sorry, they are napkins. I got them from Home Bargain and they were 65p for 25 of the napkins. Now these are like tie and dye. They've got like little lavender, blue and a little bit of like pinkish. I really like the color, so I decided to use it instead of the tissue paper. Now it's a little bit harder to handle, or should I say to manage, to unfold it, but it does take time. So just take your time and then just go through it really slow and you will get through to it. And then once I've finished twine up my tissues, like as I've done in one of my previous videos when I did happy birthday sign for my sister, I just went ahead with a pen and just kind of just tuck them onto the letter. So guys, if you want to do something like this for Mother's Day, it is totally up to you. As I said before, it's Mother's Day here in the UK, but obviously it is not Mother's Day in, other parts of the world. But definitely you can use this idea or improve upon this idea, and get something really nice for the Mother's Day celebration. Whether it is at home, yes or no. I mean, I know we're still in lockdown, but you can still do Mother's Day celebration at home with your mom, your aunt, or whoever is at home with you. So I just want to show you the full process of what I've done with the letter H, and it's basically self-explanatory from the rest. As you can see, I've done the Happy Mother's Day, and it will be the same process that I use to put in the rest of the APPY and the Mother's Day. You can also do this sign or do another sign for basically like, birthdays of what I've done before. As I said from a previous video, you want to check on the link below. I've linked that video below. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead and watch it. I really enjoyed it. Or, it could be like a baby shower, a christening, anything that you're celebrating. You can go ahead and cardboard. I mean, if you purchase anything that comes in a cardboard box, it's really cheap, really, like it's free. And napkins is like 69p, or depending on where you are, it's really inexpensive items. So definitely you can create something beautiful from really inexpensive items and you wouldn't even believe the result. So as you can see, this is what the end product looked like, and I just took my scissors and just trim off the excess because I want it to look a lot neater than how my previous one looked. And this is what the finished product looked like. As you can see, the lighting is different because I'd finished this one in the night. I had to go and get Trayvon from school, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I really enjoy it. It was a quick and simple process, and I hope you guys like it. Comment below and let me know what you think. So on Saturday, which my another video will be dropping, I will also do the decoration for the Mother's Day celebration. I will do a backdrop, and then also I will display the Happy Mother's Day sign with like table setting and that, so you guys can let me know what you think. So please do come back on Saturday at 10 a.m. to see my last and final upload for Mother's Day celebration here in the UK. So guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and I hope to see you on Saturday. Also, please check out my playlist below. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.